Hi, this is how I perform a factory reset of the Brother DCP-9015CDW printer. First, start by plugging the printer in and turn it on if it isn't on already. Then, when in the main menu, use the touch screen to select the settings icon up to the right. From here, select all settings, move one step down and click on Initial Setup. Then select Reset, followed by All Settings. Press Yes and make sure that you are okay with all settings soon being removed before pressing and holding the Yes button once more for about 2 seconds. Whereupon the printer then starts the factory reset process. This only takes about a few seconds, after which the printer then restarts and boots back up, leaving you at the setup screen. Here, either follow the on-screen instructions to set the printer up again or unplug it if you're selling or getting rid of it. Right, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.